Welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this 2014 Holden Calais V in that stunning Prussian steel. Now, starting off at the front, I'm going to walk you through the condition and some of the features. Now, the Calais V does get that really nice chrome front grille there, which does stand out against the Prussian steel paintwork. Looks absolutely incredible and it adds elegance to the front end, which is what the Calais V was really built for. Now, on the headlights, by far the VFs have the best looking headlights in the whole Commodore range. They are very sharp, aggressive, and they've got a nice projector beam in there as well. Now, down the bottom, you get your LED daytime running lamps. You've also got color match parking sensors and fog lights. Condition wise at the front here, there is one touch up on the bonnet there, but other than that, really nothing too major. And now on the first alloy wheel, really good condition on these wheels. You do get very well designed multi-spoke wheels on the Calais. The condition wise, there is a couple of very minor rashing, but nothing too major, and the tires are still in good condition and they are bridgies as well. Now, you've got the color match side mirrors and door handles with the chrome insert in those door handles. You've also got the vent on the side here. It is a non-functional vent, but it does add a little bit of personality and kind of breaks up that quarter panel a bit. Now, being keyless entry, you can just hold down that button to lock and unlock your car as long as the key is in your pocket and near the vehicle. Now, on the inside, take a quick look at the seats, and bolsters are in good condition. There is a little bit of wear on the driver's seat, just to be expected, but the actual firmness of those bolsters is still awesome. Now, the scuff guards on the doors, once again, really good condition there. And where people tend to get lazy and kick these doors open, there is minimal scuffing. I will point out, guys, there is one mark on the window here which doesn't look like it will actually come off, but nothing really too major. Now, that next wheel, once again, really good condition on the wheel. Hope you're paying attention to the paintwork along the vehicle as well. Once again, a couple of very minor rashes, but nothing major at all. Fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, which is standard across the Commodore range. And coming around to the back, once again, very aggressive look on the back end. You've got nice dark tail lights, which do point right down into the middle of that tailgate. Now, I'm just going to jump in the driver's side and pop that boot open because I haven't got the key on me. But once we open the boot of the Calais, these Commodores tend to have a lot of space in the back end, so you've actually got your cargo net plus a few other little extras in there for you as well, and a set of rubber mats. So plenty of options there. And just in the back, you have also got your full-size spare wheel. So very clean boot in there as well. Closing that back up, condition-wise on the back, really good condition there. Can't actually fault it, even if I am trying to be picky. Down the bottom, you've got the color match parking sensors in that black bumper. Now, next wheel, this side does tend to get parked next to the curb, and you will notice a lot more rashing on this side on every vehicle, but this one, a couple of superficial marks, but nothing major at all. The paintwork along this side of the vehicle does present really well. If I am being picky, I think that's just detailing spray, I can't actually tell, but the actual condition wise does present really well. And that last and final wheel, once again, nothing but a few superficial marks, so very well maintained from the outside. What we're going to do now, guys, is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 3.6 litre V6 with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. This car is responsive and has plenty of power as well. ANCAP safety ratings 5 stars. Power output from the engine is 210 kilowatts with a torque rating of 350 Newton meters. The petrol fuel tank holds 71 litres and you can run it on your standard 91 octane. The fuel consumption is about 9 litres per 100, and average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, is about 789 kilometers from a full tank. Inside the Commodore now, on the driver's side door, I must say it is a very well designed interior. You've got cream suede just up here, you've got a carbon fiber trim under that, more cream leather, and a black leather armrest. So very comfortable door and very comfortable armrest, I must say. All 4 windows are automatic. Sorry, I've got the hiccups a little bit. Above that, you've got the toggle for your power mirrors and 3 seat presets on the door. So setting any of those presets will change the mirror position and the seating position as well. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your headlight toggle, so you can just set that one to auto and it will decide when it needs to turn them on. Next to that is the illumination control and your heads up display control, so height adjuster as well as the menu selector to change what you actually see in there. Now on the right hand stalk, you've got your indicators and your headlights. You've also, your indicators, high beams, and menu controls. On the left hand side, you've got your washer and wiper controls. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your media controls. Left hand side's all your cruise control and your safety systems like forward collision and lane departure warning. Now in the center display, just going to pop this in reverse to show you, you do get a very nice reverse camera, so you can see the rear bumper, and you've got the red lines to help you when you're parking. If you press park assist, you can see the full radar for the parking sensors. Now this head unit does have navigation. It's also got AM and FM radio. You've also got Bluetooth input and AUX and USB as well. Down below that, you've got the hard buttons for your radio. Down below that again, got dual zone climate control, so passenger and driver both get their own temperatures. Under here, some storage if you want to keep your phone while it's plugged into that 12-volt socket. And the shifter, you can drive it as a standard auto or bump it to the left and shift through your gears manually. Behind that again, some storage. Maybe you want to keep your keys there while you're driving. You've also got an electric park brake, traction control, the park assist where it will help you park, and your parking sensors. You've also got two cup holders back here. Now that leather wrap center console, when you open it up, you've got a little spot here. If your key battery does die, just slide it in there and you can still start your car. You've also got a USB, AUX and 12-volt socket. Now if we pan around the interior quickly, you will notice it is in awesome condition. I've got a fully automatic sunroof. It is starting to rain though, so I'm not going to open that up and let myself get wet, but the interior of the car, as you will notice, is in beautiful condition, so very, very well looked after in the inside of this vehicle. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful, beautiful Commodore. I'm going to wrap this up very quick because there is a thunderstorm rolling in. However, I must say you need glass coat on this car. Ask us about the warranty inclusions and just what it will cover, because we're going to talk to you about it anyway, so might as well take advantage of it and protect your investment. The other thing I would highly recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. As this car is out of new car warranty, it's a great way to protect what you're buying and make sure that it is covered mechanically and electrically for the next 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometers. You also get 10 years of platinum roadside assistance and much more. Now they are additional costs, but if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance packages. They're also going to show you just how minimal the repayments are going to change with all those protective options in there for you. It is an awesome way to protect your vehicle, so get the options in there, finance with us, let us make the process easy for you, and read our Google reviews as well. Google Berwick Mitsubishi, have a read of what people have to say about us, because you will find that you are buying a good quality vehicle, dealing with the right people, and we're going to look after you from start to finish and after the sale as well. If you have any questions, the number to dial is 99070555. My name is Josh, and Berwick Mitsubishi, love that experience.